Hello. I just want to introduce y'all to my daughter. I'm Tracy Palmer, and this is my daughter, Catherine Palmer. This is my first grandbaby. This is Lillian Palmer. Lillian was given to us about 3 years ago. And this, I'm going to tell you why you young girls don't need babies. Lillian was given to us, and Lillian was crying one night. So Catherine got tired of Lillian crying. So she took Lillian and she threw Lillian in the toy chest. Terrible parenting. Terrible. Young girls ain't got no patience. And poor Lillian stayed in the toy chest, and we would ask her, "Where's my grandbaby, Katie?
Sleep.
Where's my grandbaby?" She told us that Lillian was asleep. Lillian was in the toy chest all that time. So now Lillian has a dent in her head. Do you see this? It's abuse. See? Abuse. See, this is why you don't need to have babies when you're young. You can't take care of them. Then, to keep Lillian from crying for help, she took out Lillian's batteries. Do you see that? She took the batteries out. So we're going to revive Lillian today to see if she's still working. She's just dirty, dirty mama. So we're going to see if she's still working today. But this ought to be a lesson to you young girls that y'all don't need no babies. You can't hide the babies because the authorities going to come and find them. And they're going to come find you. The authorities. Bless God. The baby still works.
She's back, guys.
Now she gets to try it again and take the baby and let her stay with her again. We're going to give her another try. Thank you, Sister Linda Fowler, who gave Katie this baby. Ain't she sweet? And she still works.
She creepy.
There you go, baby.